On the 1st and 2nd of July 2025, 81 educators from 7 Gauteng schools came together for the first round of training in a groundbreaking teacher development program delivered by MarketPlace Academy and its implementation partner, Future Nation College. Funded by Investec and Allen and Gil Gray Philanthropies, this initiative is designed to equip teachers with the tools to deliver entrepreneurship education using a project-based learning approach.
We are Future Nation schools, special learning group, Future Nation College, to address that in initial teacher education, so that we are able to train educators not to teach in silos, but rather teach in collaboration through a new approach to teaching and learning, which is called project-based learning, which will allow us now to connect all these subjects that we teach in one and solve a particular problem that is authentic, that is relevant to our learners.
Okay, what's the role of curriculum actually in addressing socio-economic issues? You as a pedagogical teacher, so just think of it. What's your role as a teacher, number one? What's the role of the curriculum in addressing socio-economic issues?
So I'm thinking with the different subjects, the learners, the knowledge, the skills, the values, and the attitude that is embedded in every subject do make learners aware, conscious of the issue, and it helps in giving rational, logical understanding of the socio-economic issues. If you think of crime, if you think of HIV/AIDS, if you think of poverty, if you think of issues like that. So I think also what PBL is trying to do to say we must not teach subjects in isolation, trying to put the subjects together and trying to make explicit the skills and the values and that are being brought by each subject.
But I just have a few things to mention, and having tried this, the challenges. One of the first challenges that I discovered is that everyone who has to be a PBL practitioner must unlearn what you have learned. You must know that you don't know so that you can know. Because if you think you know everything, that will block you from getting new knowledge because you already think you know. That's the first thing. And for you to do that, you know what they say in English? Your attitude determines your latitude. Your attitude determines your latitude. The management's attitude and your colleague's attitude determines the latitude of PBL.
At its heart is a bold vision to spark entrepreneurial thinking in young minds and cultivate a generation of innovative problem solvers and job creators. In this session, teachers moved beyond theory into practice, experiencing project-based learning as a pathway to embed entrepreneurship in the classroom and spark innovation. This was more than training. It was the beginning of a movement, equipping teachers with skills that cultivate entrepreneurial skills and mindsets in learners, and inspiring the next generation of African leaders.